Day 100. It's day 100 of my speaking challenge every single day on camera until get fluency in English. This is the last day, and let's do TOEFL speaking questions today to improve our English speaking skills, because I'm English learner and like this is the deal. English learning, what I just enjoy doing in life, and decided to film my progress, decided to film all this path in acquiring this language. So let's answer questions. Oh, wow, my chair is squeaking here. Squeaking, make this unpleasant sound. All right, TOEFL. First question, do you prefer to work under pressure or to have a relaxed environment at work? I want to mention that I've done these questions before, and I gave the answer that I prefer work under pressure, but now I want to consider another side of this question just to practice my speaking. And yeah, I would definitely prefer working in relaxed environments when I don't need to be in a rush, in a hurry, and no one is creates this hustle around me. I think when you be in relaxed environment, you stay in calm and you can concentrate on specifically on your task much better. So because of this, the quality of making the decisions of achieving the results will be much higher, and it's going to be just effectively. Then you will be always distracted by many factors. Being in under pressure, you will have these thoughts about something else, what will distract you from your current work. In a second task, I've read a text and listened the conversation between two people before the task. The article was about cutting off the heating in universities buildings in a campus on the weekends and on weekdays after 5 p.m. due to saving money, and because university management has decided that there is no need for students, like no one in campus, and so they're just wasting the energy of heating the empty buildings. But students, they completely disagree, particularly women, because she likes doing homework in the classrooms. It is much more convenient than going to library, because in the library there is no enough space for everyone to place and do homework. But right now, especially in the winter, it is not going to be just possible to be there, because you're going to get cold and sick. And the best decision what the university could make is renovating the building, is fixing the building, isolated it, because in the winter, the windows are pretty old, bad conditions, and the wind can get into the building. So just renovate. They can take a lot of simple actions to save money, because it's not going to cost a lot. So just fix small problems and everyone will be in a really comfortable, good life. Explain the concept of social cognition that the professor talks about. Social cognition, it is the process of perceiving and understanding the behavior of people and their gestures, their speech during the interacting with them in a society. And there are several different types of behavior what we can interpret in different ways depending on culture. For example, in some cultures, the simple smile, when you smile at someone, it means you want to become friends and start conversation, become closer, At the same time, in other cultures, it can be just the gesture of any social occasion, like everyone will smile to you. And it doesn't mean they want to become friends. You're supposed just to smile back, and that's it. In last task, using the examples from the lecture, discuss two types of narrators that an author of fiction might use. The author of fictions, they usually have several decisions to make. And one of the decisions, and choose the type of narrator, the type of voice what the story will be told by, and who will tell this story. There are several types. First type of narrator, it is an objective narrator, who just retell us the story and describe actions, what is going on in the fiction. For example, the story woman and man want to take a trip, and after just make us to know that they went to, I don't know, got on the train, took a seat and look out a window. But the second type of narrator, it is what will help us to go deeply into their feelings and not just see the actions, what's going on, but understand what are they thinking about, what are the characters thinking, what's the emotions, and all the experience what they coming through currently. We will also understand it. Day 100 is done, so let me just ask them. Actually, we've got a just huge community relatively where we start from. It was like more than 8,000 subscribers already here, and I want to thank you for taking this challenge, who also not afraid to start speak, even who records and publish it on YouTube. It is just crazy. Like, we're doing a really great job, and I think we will achieve everything. We will improve our English by this, like, totally. Yeah, I'm really proud of you all who not afraid to take something new in life and just at first sight, simple action, just press the button of recording and start speaking. But it's not such easy as it may seem at first sight, right? And yeah. English can be improved by this officially information that it works. You can record yourself and it will help to improve English speaking skills. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you all.